Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to try to find maybe about 3 or 4 nice dresses. Really, sir? Really? Three or four nice dresses because I have a few things coming up. Mother's Day, and then my daughter's graduation, my anniversary, and something else I can't remember right now. But I need about 4 nice cute dresses, and I'm gonna also check in DSW to see if I can find a cute pair of shoes. So that's what I'm doing today. I don't like it. Nope, don't like it. I fit number 2 on the short set. I know I'm looking for dresses, but this is cute. Hi everyone, so I'm back home from shopping and I picked up a few things. So this piece here, I got this from Kohl's, and this is just a cute little summer dress. I'll try to insert pictures throughout the video. This is just a cute little summer dress, and I don't think I have the price that I got from Kohl's, but their spring summer dresses were on sale for $24.99, and then they had a coupon, I think 10 or 15% off. So I picked this up from Macy's. I picked up some sandals. I thought these would be cute, and these were, I believe, $54 or $49 $24.99. And then of course they had their friends and family discount, which was 15% off. So I thought these would be cute to wear during the summer. TJ Maxx. I got this little peachy colored dress. This was on their clearance rack, and this was $20. And I thought this would be cute. This would be nice to probably wear to my daughter's graduation. And this black dress would probably be nice for brunch, Mother's Day brunch or something like that. I also picked up from TJ Maxx just a workout top. This was $9.99. I thought that was cute. From Burlington, I just picked up these little flats. Thought they were cute. Just to wear during the summer. And then from Marshalls, I picked up this little cap to wear when I'm walking. This is $9.99 and it's a Nike. And the last thing I picked up was this little dress, and this was $16.99. Thought this was really cute. So that is it for my shopping haul today. So thanks for watching. Come back and see me. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.